Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my November 2022 Kinder Beauty Box unboxing. So I'm new to Kinder Beauty. I only subscribed last month. I subscribed for a 6-month subscription, and when you sign up for a 6-month subscription, you get a free bonus box. So last month I unboxed my free bonus box and my monthly box, and I think that Kinder Beauty must have noticed because they reached out and gave me a discount code. So not an affiliate code, or this is not sponsored, anything like that, but since I'm sharing my unboxings here on my YouTube channel with you all, they were nice enough to give me a 50% off discount code if you sign up for new subscribers, and it's 50 Christy B, which of course I'll have in the description down below. But this is a really fun subscription box because it's all clean, cruelty-free, and vegan beauty products. When I signed up for the 6-month subscription, it came out to $23 a month per box, which is pretty reasonable for the beauty subscriptions because I love beauty subscriptions. Here on my channel, I unbox a bunch of them, and then I also have a series where I try out a new makeup product every day. So if you like that type of content, please subscribe to my channel. But let's go ahead and see what's in this box. So unlike other beauty subscriptions where you get to maybe choose a few of your products in the box, with Kinder Beauty, you actually get to choose which of the 2 variations you want. And some of the products are the same in the different variations. So it was kind of hard for me to choose which one I wanted, but I went with the Exhale box. So love that there's product information here. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Ooh. It does smell so good. It really does just make me want to take in a deep breath and enjoy the scent of this box. It smells so good. But okay, let's start with this here. First, I'm pulling out River Spring Ancient Clay Earthy Soap, which I'm actually really excited to see a bar soap in here because I just finished up my previous bar soap in the shower. So it's perfect timing for me to put this one into my shower. It smells really nice. Oh, it's pretty sealed, so I'm not going to just open it yet. But it retails for $1.50, pretty reasonable. And the brand is called Zion Health. So I'm not familiar with a lot of the brands that I get in this box, so that's exciting that I get to learn about new beauty brands, and they're all going to be clean, cruelty-free, and vegan, which is awesome. And next, I got Leah Nature So Bioethic Cream Mains. Wait, this is in a different language. I don't even know. Organic hand cream. Good thing I've got this product information here. Ooh, which I could really use right now. Retail value of $14.99. It has hyaluronic acid, aloe vera. Ooh. So I am definitely going to put some of this on right now because my hands are dry. It is officially dry hand season for me. I get a slight smell to this, but nothing overpowering. I really like when lotions are thin enough to blend out easily, not like those really thick creams that are so hard to blend in. And this also absorbed pretty quickly as well, with my skin left feeling very soft, so that's really nice. And I go through lotions so quickly, so I'm happy to get this in my box. Next, I've got, I think I recognize this brand, Jasmine Beauty Coastin Highlighter. Ooh, excited to see a makeup product in here. This is sealed, but I am going to open it, and I'll do a full dedicated review video on this as well as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series here on YouTube. This is some really pretty packaging. Oh, I was not expecting it to be this pink. So maybe I'll be able to use this as like a blush topper. I'm excited to play around with it and find out. The highlighter retails for $28. Wow. Next, I've got retinol serum. I love a retinol serum. And this is from the brand Lily Anna Naturals, which I don't know that brand. High potency, 2.5% retinol niacinamide hyaluronic complex. Ooh, such great ingredients in here. Really pretty packaging. This retails for $27.99. I actually was expecting, wow, they all come very well sealed, but I was expecting this to be a higher price point, so that's pretty good. Yeah, this sounds incredible for the skin. So I will try this out eventually. I have so many serums right now that I probably won't be trying this out right away. But once I do, I like to use my skincare products up completely and then talk about them in my empties videos so that I can really give them enough time to work with my skin and see results. And then my fifth product in here, because I think you always get 5 products in Kinder Beauty. Ooh, I do recognize this brand, Cuccio Somatology Yoga Pause Meditation Mist, Peppermint and Sage. Ooh, this sounds really nice. Let's see how you use it. Inhale, exhale a meditation mist to enable the moment of pause from your busy lifestyle. Spritz this heavenly blend of peppermint and sage on everything from your yoga mat to your desk chair to your car to your pillowcase. So just kind of like an anywhere type of scent spray. Retails for $32. You know, I'm going to go ahead and spray a little on my sleeve and let's see how it smells. Like, I love the smell of peppermint. Ooh, peppermint and sage. That does smell so nice. And it's also the type of scent that I feel like is very unisex, very like easy for people to like. Like my fiance will enjoy this as well, so I can spray it on his stuff. Oh, so nice and refreshing. I feel like if you have like a stuffy nose or something too, just would really cleanse and really refresh the nostrils. See, I can't stop smelling it. That's so nice. So wow, such a great range of products and all so useful. I'll do a quick recap, but I got the hand cream from the brand So Bioetic, the Liliana Naturals Retinol Serum, the Jasmine Beauty Highlighter, the Cuccio Peppermint and Sage Spray, and the River Springs Ancient Clay Earthy Soap. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of them. And don't forget to use the discount code to save 50% if you are interested in subscribing, or maybe there's someone else in your life that would really love this box and you could get it for them this holiday season. It's such a great box, like even if you got it for yourself and you gifted some of the products onto other people, because I feel like if you're giving someone a beauty product, making sure that it's clean, vegan, cruelty-free is a great way to hopefully please everyone who would be receiving it. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.